Good morning, fellow gardeners. Well, we're back with you. We're still in the house. It's hot outside. It's terribly hot. And so Judy and I decided we'd make us a little video here. We got an announcement to make to you, so heads up. We're going to the Oklahoma State Fair in September. Excuse me. As a matter of fact, on September the 15th, we will be at the Oklahoma State Fair in the Modern Living building. They've asked us to come and teach this gardening, container gardening that we do to anybody that's interested in coming in. It'll be free to you, to anybody that pays an admission into the fairgrounds. That's all you got to do is park, get in the fairgrounds. You can go anywhere you want to come. You can come to the Modern Living building there on the fairgrounds, and Judy and I will be there. Our employees will be there. Josh and Richard that puts up the greenhouses, you can meet with them, talk to them. If you're interested in a greenhouse, that's going to be the two guys that's going to come to you and put it up. We're going to be teaching the wicking system. Sherry's going to plan on being there and helping us, and you can meet her. She's the one that sends all the fertilizer out. Her and her mother. I don't think her mother's going to get to come, but Sherry will be there. And anyway, we're just going to have a grand time. We're going to give some fertilizers away as long as it lasts. If we don't run out, we're going to have everybody a sack of fertilizer there to take home with them to raise one of these container gardenings. We're going to show you how to do it. We're going to have tubs there to show you how to build these things. You can ask questions to any of our crew there, and we're going to have fun with you. We'll take pictures with you. We're not going to be selling anything, so don't come prepared to buy your fertilizer or anything. We're not taking a load of fertilizer up there to sell. We're strictly going to give some little packets, some samples away of the fertilizer, and it'll probably be 2 packs, one with the master blend in it, and the other one with the 5 different dry fertilizers that you put in the tub or in the bucket, and then this other you mix in water to keep your tomato or something going, blooming and fruiting. And I'll tell you, I'm going to tell you there's some pretty pictures coming in from some of these kiddos that are growing. I got a beautiful picture of a young lady up here in Stillwell, Oklahoma, that's growing squash and cucumbers. She's just a young, beautiful little lady, and that makes us so proud that we can have a little part in teaching these families how to teach their children how to garden, because let's face it, when I get old, I want somebody out there growing food for me. So anyway, if you get a chance, come to the State Fair. We'll put this here, Jackie will put this up so you can have a program to see that we're going to be there from 11 till 6 in the afternoon. Come in and talk to any of us, take a picture with us, whatever you'd like. We'll pray with you. If some of you got problems or something, come talk to me. We'll get over in the corner and we'll have a little prayer for you. We want to do whatever you want to do. We want to have fun and enjoy that day with you. Come and be with us. And you don't have to stay around all day. Just any time between 11 and 6 in the afternoon. Come in, be with us, and then go ahead and enjoy the fair. And we just thank you for coming. Just thought I'd announce this. We'll make another announcement again a little closer to September. But I just want you to get it in your plans to come to the Oklahoma State Fair September the 15th. That's on a Sunday from 11 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the afternoon. We'll be loving to see you there, and we expect you there as one of our followers.